Today we're making a bench out of wood and stone. I bought these white lapis for about $8 each, and I built little nests around them so that I could shoot a laser across them and then trace over that line with a Sharpie so that I know exactly where to cut the stones with my angle grinder. Now I can shove some steel in the crack and split them apart. I ground the cut ends nice and smooth and then drilled holes so that I can attach them to the wood bench top. I had a piece of a 6x12 beam that was pretty beat up, but I just drew my design over the top anyways and then started hacking away with my pole saw and machete. Once I had the rough shape, I went back to the angle grinder and started carving out two little wood islands that are going to touch the stone. I drilled holes in the center of the islands and then rounded them over with my orbital sander. I cut short pieces of solid steel rod and steel tube so that I can insert the steel into the tube and the rod into the stone, creating a stable connection that allows me to move the heavy components of this bench separately. Now that the wood bench top is placed, I can see how the design looks and then do a final pass with the angle grinder to carve down the top. I did a little more sanding, threw on a coat of finish, and now I feel like I can add all sorts of different types of rocks to my DIY projects. I only used a few basic power tools for this project, although I did use a lot of attachments from my angle grinder so they could cut stone, cut steel, and carve wood.